Hi everyone, here is another festival look and we're gonna start with the makeup, and I am preparing her face with just some moisturizer. I'm applying the foundation all over her face and making sure everything looks good. Now we're gonna apply the concealer, and we're gonna do a lot of concealer just to make sure that all the under eye part is covered and it looks nice. Again, a little bit more concealer. It's never too much. And we're gonna do the eyebrows, and I'm just adding and filling in whatever she has in. And always for the festival look, I always go with a darker shade than her normal. Cleaning just with the same concealer under the eyebrows and doing the same thing on the other side with some wax and just some color. Again, a little bit darker than her normal color that she go for, because this is a look that is going to be a little bit extra. To fix the eyebrows, I'm just putting in some gel at the end, and that's going to just make them last longer. This is the eye primer that I'm using, so the colors will stick in very well on the eye. And we're gonna start with this whole look is going to be pinkish, so we're starting by just blending everything with a little bit of pink, and a lot of pink is gonna go on the outside part and the inside part, just so the part that we have in the middle, so we can fill it in with some glitter. So here you can see I'm going on the outside with a lot of pink, blending everything in. Again, more color, just adding as much as you feel you're comfortable with, and then blending everything. We're gonna do the same thing on the other eye. And then once you blend everything and you're ready for the middle part, you're gonna prepare the eyelids with some gel, and you're gonna add the glitter. You can choose whatever color you want. I chose just the normal gray glitter. And then we're going in with the eyeliner, and this is a blue eyeliner that I used. You can always do a thicker line if you want. If you want, and then we're adding some eyelashes, and then we're going in with some face jewels. Just because this is a pinkish look, as I said, we're not going with some really strong colors, but you can choose your own by going in with anything. You can always skip this color with another one. And I'm just adding some highlighter here and doing her lips. Not too extra. You can always go with something else. Now I'm going to do her hair, and we're gonna go for a pink Kanekalon, and we're starting with some French braids. I'm adding 2 pieces of pink Kanekalon to her hair and just French braiding the hair. Don't forget to pull through the pink parts, just so the braids look a little bit fuller, and then all the way down just French braid the hair color. If you want to add more, you can always do so. You can see here I added 1 more piece, just so I have a little bit more hair when I get to the down part to do the braids. And then we are fixing everything with an elastic, and with the second part we're gonna go for some small braids in the down part of her hair. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Again, this is going to be just a French braid where we add the Kanekalon. If you're going for another festival look, another color, you can add your own color and just do the same thing. You can check out my other videos on the channel so you can see how I added or how I did the other festival looks, and you can see the other types of hair Kanekalon, the other types of braids, ideas for the festival looks. I'm adding one more Kanekalon part on the downside, and then we're gonna get to the second part where we're gonna do some small braids. Here you can see I'm just doing a normal French braid all the way down, and then these are the ones that I'm gonna pull through. So you put an elastic and then you pull through and take some hair out. This is where you're gonna see a little bit better. Yeah, you can just pull through, and this is gonna make just the down part look a little bit bigger, extra festival look. Same thing, we're doing another just normal braid in 3 parts. And you can do a lot of those and they will look nice too. I just chose to do 2 different types, and so that way, because I'm pulling those out through, they just look super nice. We're gonna continue just doing the same thing on both sides by adding her hair, and with the Kanekalon, just making sure that we're adding all of that to the braids. On the other side, I'm continuing with doing the same 2 little normal braids with adding her hair to it. This is gonna be the second one, where it's just 3 parts and you're just braiding normal. And then we're gonna go for the pull through braids. You can see a little bit better here where I just add an elastic, pull through the hair, and then just take some hair out, so it looks a little bit bigger. You can already see the result on the other side, so you can see how it looks. We're just gonna continue doing same thing. We're gonna finish this braid and just do one more, and this is gonna be the final look for the festival hair. Here's the final look. You can see how beautifully her hair looks. You can obviously do this not only for festival, just for some nice pictures by the ocean. Thank you for watching, and you have a wonderful day, guys.